Hi everyone, welcome back to CLINPHARAM blog. Today we are going to discuss about phase 0 clinical trials. Phase 0 clinical trials are also called as microdosing trials. The name itself indicates that it has very low doses of drug for investigational purpose to a small number of participants. The main goal of phase 0 clinical trials is whether the drug reaches the target cell. If it reaches, what happens to the drug in the body and how the body responds to the drug. These are the main goal of phase 0 clinical trials. Now let us discuss about characteristics of the phase 0 clinical trials. The first one is microdosing. Phase 0 clinical trials typically involves administrating subtherapeutic and subpharmacological doses of the investigational drug. These doses are too low to produce therapeutic effect, but these doses are sufficient to study how the drug behaves in the body. Second characteristic is limited number of participants. Phase 0 clinical trials involves a small number of healthy volunteers such as less than 10, and it also uses sometimes a specialized imaging technique to monitor the drug distribution in the body. The third characteristics of phase 0 clinical trials are accelerated development of drug. This phase 0 trial is accelerate the drug development by providing early data on how the drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted in humans. And the data which is collected during the phase 0 clinical trials is helps in making to take decision to proceed the phase 1 clinical trials or not. And the last characteristic of phase 0 clinical trials are risk mitigation. It means since the dose of drug is very low in phase 0 clinical trials, these are considered as low risk for participants in terms of safety, as they are not expected to experience the therapeutic or harmful effects. Now let us discuss about the advantages of the phase 0 clinical trials. These phase 0 clinical trials are the primary tool to inform and take decision about whether the drug will move to phase 1 clinical trials or not. And also the phase 0 clinical trials offers a less cost effective way to gather the pharmacokinetic data about the investigational drug. Phase 0 clinical trials helps to speed up and streamline the drug approval process. This also helps for researchers to find out if the drugs do what they are expected to do. And also it helps in saving the time and money that would have been spent on later phases of the clinical trials. The phase 0 clinical trials helps in accelerating the drug development by quickly weeding out ineffective or unsafe compounds. And also it gives the clear cut data about the newly investigational drug. Phase 0 clinical trials also helps in ethical considerations. Since the phase 0 clinical trials involves the minimal risk to the participants, so the regulatory bodies raises fewer ethical concerns compared to the large phases of the clinical trials. This is all about the phase 0 clinical trials. Guys, if you like this video, please click on like. If you have any queries, please write a comment and please share this video with your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Bye friends, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.